guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today, I'm going to do unboxing for this NEO-Tri Dagger ZMC Carbon Specials. So the item number is 95508. So as you can see, this one says Carbon Specials. So let's see what is really carbon in this chassis, in this unit. Okay, check it out, and don't forget, in the end we have a scoreboard and see what's the score for this car. All right, thank you, check it out. Okay, so here's everything for this car, and let's start from the body. So the body is carbon fiber reinforced, and here is the stickers. Okay, so then next, the chassis S2 color black, also carbon fiber reinforced. Quick release color black, steel carbon fiber reinforced, and the parts color black, and all still everything carbon fiber reinforced. Okay, and then the small diameter 3-spoke wheels, and also carbon fiber reinforced, and the small size tire, and the material hard, and also with the groove pattern thread, and the gear ratio 3.5 high speed gear. And let's see, for the painting gear is purple. Okay, so here, this is everything for this unit. Okay, so let's see what score this car get from my scoreboard. Check it out. Okay, so for this car, the chassis is carbon reinforced, including the parts. So I give the 0.1. And for the body, that is carbon reinforced as well. So I give 0.75. And for the gear ratio is high speed gear 3.5. So it's 0.1. And the wheel, it's a small diameter size wheels, but I still give them a 0.75 because it's pretty good material if we are using that for the stabilizer. And for the tire, it's small size hard tire, so I give the 0.75, and the total score is 4.25. So that's this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.